So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an AWS account. You can go to this link to sign up, or you can search for AWS Account Sign Up, and you should be able to get to this page. You need to enter an email address, and you need to enter a password, confirm the password, and you need to create a name for your AWS account. Once that's filled in, you can click continue. So for account type, you can select professional or personal. In order to set up an account, you do need to add a credit card or a debit card. So you need to do a phone verification as well. So you can enter in your phone number, security check here, and then you can do call me now to send a message. Okay, once you do that, you'll get a phone call and you need to enter in the numbers they show you into your keypad once you take the call from Amazon to verify your phone number. It looks like they want you to pick a support plan. For most users, I'd say just go with the free basic plan. You know, you can look through and read to see if you need the other plans, but I've always gone with just the basic free plan. Okay, great. Welcome to Amazon Web Services, and now we could go sign in. And now I'm signed in. It really is that easy to get set up and going. Thank you for watching. For more AWS tutorials and training, you can go to awstrainingprogram.com. The link will be in the description below. Sign up for free at awstrainingprogram.com.